you. Okay, so for your blowout, I'm just gonna start with the Mistress Anti-Leave-In Conditioner on the ends to moisturize.
Sounds good.
Because your ends are a little bit dry.
My hair is super dry.
And then I'm just gonna brush that through to evenly distribute the product.
Yeah, I love this stuff actually. It works really well.
It's so good. And then I'm gonna use the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray all throughout the hair because she likes it with not too much volume at the top, so a little more sleek. And then I'm also gonna brush that through.
Do you feel like people ask for a lot of volume?
They do. That's usually the thing. People want more volume and pretty much throughout, but so when someone asks for less volume, I'm like, And then I would just start to blow dry. Okay, so once we have finished the blow dry, so then I'm gonna use the GHD. This one's the soft curl iron. It's 1.25 inches. And I love GHD because it's non-damaging. Like the heat goes up to a certain temperature that keeps everyone's hair healthy. So what I'm doing is just wrapping it around the barrel and then pulling out the ends, and that's what gives it kind of like the looser feel. And in the back I'm going to alternate directions and keep the curling iron vertical. That's what'll give it less volume, because if I was curling horizontal, it kind of gives it volume towards the root.
Got it.
And then I always kind of do one pass over the hair to heat it up, and then go over the ends and smooth out the roots. So that way, when the hair is already hot, there's less chance for it to crease. And then you can see how that's just a really soft, pretty wave. So vertical sections and then holding the iron vertical. And then sometimes if the wave is too tight, you just kind of go over the ends to relax it a little bit. Also on the bang part, I kind of do like a twist instead of wrap. Sometimes I'll wrap, but it kind of frames the face a little bit better.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Love it. Oh
Yeah.
My gosh.
So after I curled everything, I'm just gonna go through with the IGK Beach Club Texture Spray. It's literally my favorite texture spray ever.
So good.
Like if you guys follow me, I use it pretty much on everyone when I'm doing a beachy type wave.
And you know what's funny is I don't love volume, but this is the one type of volume I love.
Yeah.
It creates, again, like that Victoria's Secret beachy, effortless, super sexy.
Yep, yeah.
I just love it. Like I can't not use this. Every time I do my hair, I have to use this.
It's so good. So I'm just kind of raking through her hair with my fingers. You can use a wide tooth comb or you can just use your hands, but so yeah, just kind of play with it. Play with it and just kind of manipulate it how you like it. I think we're done.
Perfect. I love braids, and I think my viewers also love braids, so I want you to for sure do something with that, but also kind of like easy enough for them to follow along at home.
Okay, cool. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just pull the hair back, and one of my tips is to always make sure the pieces you have out in the front, they're sometimes more important to me than what's happening in the back, because you're gonna photograph obviously from the front.
Right.
Okay, so I'm gonna do an infinity braid. If that's too difficult, you can just do a 3-strand braid. It's just more so like having the hair pulled back. So
I don't even know what an infinity braid is, so I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna rewatch this video a million times just to be able to figure this out.
It's really pretty. So an infinity braid, you really just think of literally the infinity symbol. So you just split the hair into 2 sections, and you're just wrapping it around each side, literally looping it in and out of the 2. And then the thinner you take the pieces, the tighter it's going to look and the more like intricate it's going to look.
Are you gonna braid it all the way down or just halfway?
I usually do it like halfway down because it kind of gives it more of a chic feel instead of just going, you know, all the way down like a normal braid. And then I'm just gonna tie it off with a black hair elastic. And then I'm just gonna also tie it with a kitsch little scrunchie with a bow on it.
Those are so cute.
So cute, I'm obsessed.
I love these because they come in so many different colors too.
For sure.
It's really cute. And this like took you 5 minutes.
Yeah,
so
literally.
It's like such an easy thing to do.
I think it's supposed to just be out.
Yeah, I think so. Just like me.
Yeah.
Perfect. I can't wait
It's
to
so
see.
cute.
Is it?
Yeah, I love it.
Feels really comfy.
Yeah.
It's like a big thing for me.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not too tight. It's like pretty loose. And then you can still have the pieces out. I love it.
Yay. So you're thinking of doing a side part?
Yes, I think a part really can switch up the look without really doing too much to it. So I'm just gonna do a side part right here. A good guide is the arch of the eyebrow.
Okay.
And you said you don't normally part it on the side, so it's gonna kind of give it some, like a nice swooping effect here. And then I like to tuck the side that you do the part on. And then I'm just going to use a little bit more of the IGK Mistress Anti-Frizz Leave-In Conditioner.
Just to like smooth it out.
Yeah, just to smooth it out a little bit, to take away some of the flyaways and make it look a little bit more refined.
I think I'm gonna do a nude lip with this so that it's not like overpowering.
Pretty.
I'm gonna go in with my YSL number 44. It's like a pinky nude.
That'll be really cute with this hair.
And with the oversized blazer.
Yeah.
That'll be perfect.
I love how this looks in the front. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Justine Marjan Kitsch collection. These clips are so cute. She has, I think, 4 different ones. So you just see where it looks best on your hair and just kind of pop it in there.
Are you gonna do 1 or 2?
I think I'm gonna do 2.
Okay, yeah, let's go all out. Cute.
I love that. Looks so pretty.
You instantly just made this look from day to night.
Yeah,
It's so cute.
love it. So when I pull the hair back, I usually kind of, it depends what I'm doing, but for this look, I'm just gonna kind of twist it a little bit instead of bringing it all back at once. So that way it gives it like a fancier look than just pulling it back.
Yeah, and I feel like, yeah, you can either wear your hair down like this with the side part or pull it back.
Yeah, for sure.
Totally like glamorous look, I feel.
The one mistake people usually make when you have thicker hair, you need to get stronger bobby pins. So I think people get discouraged, like, oh, my hair won't stay. But you just have to use the right products and, you know, pins for your hair type. And then, oh my God. And then,
I wish we were neighbors.
right. And then I'm just gonna finish off with the Intern Flexible Hairspray. And that's it.
Oh my God, I love it.
Yay.
Wait, am I going on a date too?
Right?
Something's gotta
Yeah,
happen.
you have to go somewhere. So cute.
You're the
Yay.
best.
Oh my God,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Of course.